Hello from Vermont. It's 0 degrees Fahrenheit here today. My little grandpa sweater on. Long my hair is. We're gonna continue with the series, Easy Updos You Actually Can Do. Let's get started.
First step is to part your hair into 3 parts. I like to section my hair on the sides right in front of my ears. Your back section is gonna be your ponytail, and you're gonna secure it in the middle of your head. Now you're going to section that ponytail into 2 and knot the sections together. My hair is pretty long at the moment, so I can do 3 knots, but if you only can do 1 or 2, that's totally fine. And if you're doing multiple knots, make sure you're stacking them right below each other. Once you're done knotting your hair, use a hair elastic to keep all the knots together. Once you're done, we're gonna go back to our side sections. So you're gonna brush them and tie them off right above your knotted bun. Create some space so you can then twist that smaller ponytail into itself twice. This is called a topsy tail, and again, you're gonna do it twice. Then you're gonna take that topsy tail, take the left side, bring it over to the right, so essentially you're flipping your topsy tail and bringing it over that knotted bun. Take all the hair you have left at the bottom, wrap it together, and then circle it around the knotted bun. Use bobby pins to make sure everything stays in place, and this is your hairstyle.